He's singing happy and you know it. That is so cute. This is my friend Bonnie. She likes to take selfies on her alone time. And she's really cool. Right, sweetheart? Are you a pretty bird? Do you want to take a selfie? She's giving you guys kisses. Are you giving them kisses? How are you? She's really shy right now. Because we're getting to know each other, right, Bonnie? She's really cool. She understands everything. There's another bird over there. She's taking a bath. This is Bonnie just being cool, and casual, and calm. Are you a good girl? Bonnie is super sweet. She loves to take selfies. Go take a selfie, Bonnie. Give kisses. You can take a selfie. Go ahead. Look at you. You're such a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird, aren't you? Oh. You're a pretty bird. Hi. Up, up. Step up. We're still going on that step. Up by little. Good girl. Somebody likes attention over there, huh, Bonnie? You're so sweet. And here's Kona. Say hi, Kona. You guys know Kona? Kona was in my video. Red Nose Day. Right? Right. Oh, you look so pretty. That's a good side of you. Give yourself kisses. Kisses. That's a pretty bird. Say hi, pretty bird. No, not my case. Can't bite it. Silly. No. Don't be crazy. Look, she's doing it now. Slowly but surely we're becoming friends. See? Up, up. Patty, look. She just got on my head all her own. Oh my god. Guys, she hasn't done that. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh, hey. Look at, she's on me. Oh, you like to take pictures. She just wants me to take pictures, don't you? Whoa, look at you.
Oh god, we have another vlogger.
Oh my god, she's YouTube famous, guys.
I can only deal with one crazy.
So you have two crazies. Look, she loves the camera. Bonnie is a really, really sweet bird. She's a sweetheart, right? Aren't you a sweetheart? You like to take selfies. She's actually really talkative, but she's a little shy when the camera's on. Very shy. She likes to have lots of confidence, pretty hair, slick back, don't know how to act. Who's a pretty bird? She doesn't even know. Okay, Bonnie, neck up, up, up. Good job. Who's a sweetheart? To the window, to the walls. Dot, do, 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 do. Hey, do you know any good Disney songs? I know, me too. Okay, selfie. Okay, let's pose together. Selfie. Oh. People say, what about birds? Oh my god, this is why I love Kroger's. Oh my god, if you're new to my vlog channel, you don't know how much I love Kroger's, but they have organic shit like this. Cool kale chips. I could totally replace straw chips. Like, I just like, oh my good, look at this. Oh my, coconut taste, coconut chips. Are you even kidding me? Look at this. Look at this. What's even... I'm excited. How excited are you? I'm so excited. Look at this stuff. I need to get this, all of it. Look at vampire killer sunflower. Oh my, what? Vegan? Mother, I'm done. I'm buying this all. I'm going vegan.